Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a really quick haul to share with you guys. This is, I'm going to do a Michael's and some other random places. I've done a lot of shopping, and I haven't shared with you guys at all. So they have the 6x6, all of Christmas is 70% off. So I found the 6x6, it was $1.50, so I got the Sugar and Sparkle, which is very similar to that Sugar Blush. Winter Dream, which it has some fun sparkle in it and just a little bit different colors and paper, which I liked. So you could do that more for definitely winter. It's not super Christmassy, which is great. And then this one, which is Miss Claus, and again, this one has some non-Christmassy stuff in it, so you could also use it for some non-Christmassy stuff. So that was my 6x6. And then the 12x12, I got the Miss Claus. I was excited to find this one. It was the only one they had, which is the Holiday Glitz Glitter. So you've got all the glitter sheets here. And these were, all of these 12x12s were $6, I believe. Oh, I have a couple more 6x6. I lied. I got this one, which is Bright Spirits. And then this one, which is Happy Holidays. So for $1.50. It's a really good deal. And oh, I lied. I actually got two of these. Smart me. So that was a good deal to get two of those because you always can use that. And then I got this one, which is the Cute and Cozy Christmas. So I got those. And then I got some things from Simon Says Stamp in their clearance. So I've got more clearance kind of stuff on the way, but let me show you the clearance stuff that I did get, and I don't have the prices for these, but I know they were really cheap. I usually don't buy anything unless it's really cheap on there. But they had this and the Sam set. I'm guessing that the costume party for both of these was probably $10 for the both of them. This is this little basket. This was probably around $3.99. $4.99 or something like that, because I wouldn't have spent a lot of money. Stitched basket. And that's in their Steals and Deals section. And this is Christmas Town Chit Chat. And they also had some dies in there. So we had Hello, Joy, Mom. I believe these were all like either $1.99 or 99 cents. I did get the picture book Panda. I don't know how much he was, but I think he was pretty cheap, which is good because I think he's kind of small, right? They sell these for like $9.99 or something. It's so tiny. And then they have this mounted one. So thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crane the Heart. That's my phone.